Hello traders, today is the 11th of June 2011, and happy weekend to you all. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTWSYS08 traders, and our website is www.stochastic-macd.com. This video is for educational purposes only, is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. It's primarily for the TSTWSYS08 traders. We are looking at the yearly chart of Apple computers. Okay, this is the yearly chart. As you can see, there was a gorgeous bullish move in 2009 after the bearish season of 2008. So we exceeded the 2008. Okay, so for Apple stock, due to all the excellent product that they are releasing, we can see clearly that the stock market did like this stock a lot, and we have cancelled completely the bearish season, which I'm rotating around here. This 2008 and from 2009, all the loss has been recovered. Okay, and the price proceed another year in 2010, continue the movement to the upside. So a double portion, as you can see here. Okay, and the price went up to this level here. The highest we reached this year was in the region of 36487. 36487. Okay, at the top here. What's happening? Okay, looking at the Apple stock, we want to locate the critical price level. If you have not watched the video that we posted on YouTube titled How to Trade a Critical Price Level, you can go to www.youtube.com/George Trio. Okay, critical price level is the high, the low, okay, the opening price level, and the closing price of the yearly candle. Okay, so you come here, you look on the yearly candle. For every financial instrument, you must know the critical price level. If you are trading stock, you are trading commodity, you are trading crude oil, you are trading gold, you are trading silver, you are trading currency, whichever financial instrument that you are trading, you will be completely mad not to know, okay, the critical price level. Okay, very important. Okay, you will promise me that you will now, from now on, know your critical price level. Okay, very important. Looking at Apple, we'll check. You do not check the critical price level for the current year, the previous year. Okay, so we will check the critical price level on the yearly candle of 2010. This is so important. Okay, so here the critical price level for Apple stock, if you have a pen you can note it down. If you trade Apple stock, you must know the critical price level. Okay, the opening price level for 2010, critical price level for Apple stock is 21354. 21354. The highest price level for Apple stock in the year 2010, critical price level number 2, highest point, is 32665. 32665. The next critical price level, the lowest point for the year 2010 for Apple stock, the level we are talking about, another critical price level, is 19027. 19027. And the last critical price level for Apple stock in the year 2010, closing price, another critical price level, is 32251. 32251. Okay, so you know now the critical price level for Apple stock. Okay, so if you are trading Apple stock, you must know the critical price level. Another point I need to mention in this video, which I did not mention before, is the opening price level for the new year. Do not forget that. Okay, the opening price level for the new year, okay, is also a critical price level. Okay, so remember that the opening price level for the new year, which is 2011, okay, I will tell you now another critical price level you must pay attention to. The opening price level was 32585. Very important. Okay, so now we know our critical price level and we want to know what's going on now. Okay, so we see that the price went up. Okay, projection of our channel, you know the deal now, the deal. Okay, we project it again. We come here for the yearly in the yearly chart. You can see that we have exceeded the double portion already. This is one portion here, the second portion here. We have exceeded the double portion, talking about a 200% Fibonacci retracement level, Fibonacci projection level at the starting point of the move here. So we are in the region of a 200% Fibonacci projection or Fibonacci extension zone. Okay, and I did a video also recently, and I show you that we dividing the year 2010, the range of the candle of 2010. If we divide it in two, we have something like this. Okay, if we divide that half again in two, we have something like this. So divide the range of 2010 in 4. Okay, we divide in 4, you have something like this. Okay, from where my red horizontal is up to this level here. If you project that, it will bring you at the top here, somewhere here. That's where the price did turn around. I showed you that last time, but I don't want to talk too much about that now. The projection of the quarter of the range of 2010, projection of that to the other side, bring us at the top here where the price did turn around. So we are at a critical price level. The price did turn around at a critical zone. Okay, not a critical price level, but at a critical zone, a projection of the quarter of the range of 2010. Okay, now what's happening here? Talking about the opening price and the closing price. Looking at Apple stock here, we know that 2010. Okay, the closing price was at 32251. Okay, the closing price of the year 2010 was at 32251. Okay, the price is now at 32568. Okay, 32568. That was the closing price on Friday, the 10th of June, 2011. Okay, now we are still above the closing price of 2010. Okay, so but looking at the highest point of 2010, okay, the highest point was at 326. Okay, 32665. We are below, okay, the highest point. We are below one critical price level, approaching the next critical price level. So we have crossed. We are below the highest point of 2010, and we are now approaching the closing price of 2010. The closing price is, as I told you, is at 32251 now. You must watch carefully if you trade Apple stock. You must pay attention to the level of 32251, which is the closing price of 2010, a very important level, a critical price level for Apple stock. The price is now at 32568. Okay, so because we are approaching another critical price level, you will focus on that critical price level. The price is going down now, so the next support level is at the closing price of 2010. The level we are talking about is 32251. Okay, in my view, Apple stock is completely or perfectly overbought stock. Okay, and as you can see last time with the iCloud, okay, we know that Apple computers, they are smart people. They are trying to control the market in a clever way by releasing their product at a very important time, because sometimes we see very often, anytime Apple stock is about to go down, Apple will come with some excellent product, people will come and buy it again. Okay, that's what was going on. Anytime Apple stock is about to go down, okay, you will see Apple will come and release excellent product. You have to be very aware of that, because if you are trading a financial instrument, you have to know how the management behave, how the company behave, how they release their news. Very often company will release their news, okay, if they have excellent news to release, they will release it when they know that their stock is under a bearish pressure. It's what we call a market protocol. The insiders are protecting their stock, which is perfectly okay. There's nothing wrong with that. And Apple stock tried to do that last time by releasing their iCloud when we were saying to traders to look for opportunity to sell Apple stock. Looking at this monthly chart, okay, of Apple stock, okay, what we have seen is that if we do the Fibonacci projection, now first, before the Fibonacci projection, we draw a range here where I place my horizontal line here up to this level here, this one range. The price was in a kind of consolidation this session on the monthly chart of Apple stock. The price break the range and retest it here. Okay, you break it and retest it right there. Okay, we project our channel. You know the drill now. We project our channel equal measure. Okay, without cutting corners. Okay, it will bring us somewhere in this region here. I'm going to draw another horizontal line there in the region here. That's where the price did turn around. You see, the price came very close to that zone. You see how the price was so desperate. Look at this candle here when I'm rotating my cursor. Was so desperate to approach the projection zone. Okay, was so desperate to come there. And finally it came. You see, people took profit again here. You see the shadow on top of this candle, and people take profit in the projection zone here. Okay. And the price retraced back down. Some traders were very smart. They took their profit earlier than everybody. The price crashed down. Okay, so this was happened here because of the projection of the channel. This channel here. If you project the same channel again, it will bring us somewhere above this level here, where Apple is turning around now again. You see, so as I told you, the projection of the channel, we are talking about zone. We are not talking about the price level. We are talking about zone. And you see, people took profit here. And again, the projection of the same channel. So we are projecting equal measure of the channel. One channel projects the same channel, same size, and then we project it again. Now we are here, and we were telling traders to look for opportunity to sell Apple. And this was happened here. Now the next level for Apple stock, you will pay attention to the media line of the channel here. Okay. We are below that level now. Apple dipped below it. But remember, there is a support here. You see this doji here. Okay, you see this one here where I'm rotating my cursor. The low of that candle, you will pay attention to it. This is a support level. Okay, it's a support level. So the level I'm talking about is a 32063. Okay, 32063. We are looking at the monthly chart of Apple stock. So Apple is approaching that level right now at a 320. Now let's call it 32063. Okay, but remember the critical price level, the closing price of last year also. Okay, so there is a high probability that Apple may find a support here, but I doubt it a lot, because if we do the Fibonacci extension or Fibonacci projection of the move of this, you see where the move started here. It went up here and came back down. Okay, this is what we call market manipulation here. Some traders, either the smart money want to buy again, they push the price down here, okay, to buy again for the second time. That's what they do. Okay, they push it down, but in fact the whole thing started here and pullback was given here. The price should go up from here. They push it back down to buy more here. Okay, and if we do the Fibonacci projection, we are in a zone of 238% Fibonacci. Okay, extension zone, the 238% Fibonacci extension zone. That's where Apple stock is now. And when the price is approaching the 238 and the 261% Fibonacci extension zone, the market is considered as overbought. But as I told you, it's one thing to be considered as overbought and another thing to be accepted as overbought. You will keep your eyes on the price. Do not just go and sell because the price is at the overbought zone. You will wait for a clear-cut signal using the TST-WSY08 or 008 trading system in order to enter the market like a professional trader. Okay, so this is about Apple stock. As you can see, the first support level is right here. Okay, where I place my horizontal line, and the next support level is this zone here. In my view, Apple stock, okay, if we draw the Fibonacci retracement of the whole move from here up to this level here for Apple stock, there is a high probability that Apple stock may retrace back to the zone of 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level. The level I'm talking about is right here where I'm placing my red horizontal line at 255.31. 255.31. Okay. But as I told you before, okay, you do not just get too excited and go and sell Apple anyhow. You will receive a clear-cut signal to sell before you will sell. As you can see, the whole month of this beginning of this June, this is the beginning of June, the price going down, and this time the trick to use the iCloud to propel the price to another dimension failed to work, as the smart money knew that we were approaching the 238% Fibonacci extension zone, and the smart money decided to take profit instead of to buy again, because like I told you, a crazy trader is a trader that always buy or sell at the wrong time. Okay, a crazy trader is a trader that always buy or sell at the wrong time. A crazy trader will buy, okay, when the market is perfectly overbought, okay, when everybody is ready to take profit, okay, the crazy trader will come and and buy. Like here, a crazy trader will buy here when the market is perfectly overbought, in the overbought zone, when there is a distribution taking place. Or a crazy trader will come and sell when the market is perfectly oversold and everybody is accumulating. During market accumulation and in oversold condition, a crazy trader will come and sell. Do not be a crazy trader, as this happened recently to those who are trading the silver, silver metal. This has been a perfect example of a crazy trading, when people came exactly when silver reached the $50 level. Exactly, people came and buy them only to see the price coming down. Unless you have excellent money management, and excellent risk control to know exactly what you are doing there. But this is about the definition of a crazy trader. I hope you enjoyed this video regarding Apple stock, that you will put into practice in order to cream the market consistently. We are the TSTWSYS 08 traders. Thank you for watching.